Log scaling is the process of determining the volume and type of wood and fiber arriving at Georgia-Pacific's manufacturing facilities. Each day, GP operations receive about 7,000 loads of logs and wood chips to supply their manufacturing needs. This traditional log scaling method is a time-consuming, tedious, and expensive part of purchasing wood and fiber. So GP asked, is there a better way? Automating this process can save the company significant savings, improve safety, increase quality, and provide their customers with better overall products. So, Georgia-Pacific turned to Point A, an organization that brings together leading companies, startups, and academic institutions to innovate supply chain methods. The first step to creating a solution was to determine the root causes of inefficiency in scaling. Then, Point A brought their members together through workshops and webinars to create a customized solution. The result was the development of Integrated Scaling System, or ISS. This automated system allows drivers to enter purchase order information and weigh their trucks through a mobile app, reducing the need for physical inspections of the load. Point A member Sagepath worked with Georgia-Pacific to create a seamless user experience on the mobile app. Item provided engineering services, project management, and quality assurance reviews, while Cogniac integrated artificial intelligence and machine learning into GP's existing scales to capture digital images. With this new approach, the cameras will simultaneously scan trucks as they enter a facility and identify various characteristics of the load, such as log size, diameter, and quality, as well as differentiate between soft and hardwoods. This integrated scaling system is a demonstration of how bringing together a diverse group of partners to work on common issues can lead to a more efficient and sustainable supply chain. Point A, it all starts here.